Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add widgets to the home screen on the SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 Edge. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the home screen, and then we're going to just hold on an empty space until this menu pops up. It should look like this. And then on the bottom we have the widgets option. So press on widgets, and here you have all of the widgets that you can add. So if you're looking for a specific one, you just search it up right here, or look through the apps that come with the widgets. And once you've selected the widget that you want to use, you just click on it and then click add again, and then it's going to appear like that in this little box, which you can edit to make the widget bigger or smaller. So once you're done, you can also drag the widget to adjust its position, and then you can resize it again if you want to. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.